In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to hit Advanced Features over here. Then you need to scroll down again. Click on Dual Messenger and use the switcher next to one of your available apps in order to clone it. Then hit Install and wait. If you want to use a separate contact list, use this switcher and separate your contacts. So when I check, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!